Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. And I got some stash ads to show y'all. And first one is I found a clearance item at Hobby Lobby, which is this nice M41 tank by Tamiya for $549. And I couldn't pass it up. I built one before from a thrift store, so I figured I'd do it again. Why not? This is the first one I got. My beautiful wife, Ashley, got me this wrecker from Hobby Lobby the same day. So this will be number 3 build when I do it. So that'll be a fun one to do. Maybe like the box, I don't know. Got this one off of eBay. It says it's 1930 Model A, Woody, but it has a lot of resemblance to the 31 Revell. Maybe different kit, I don't. But it has been started, just the fenders. But uh, it was a good deal, so I liked it. So that's the important part. Another one off eBay, 94 GMC Sonoma SLS. I want to build my Big Red, which I want to show you the picture before. I might need some little bit of guidance on how to extend a cab and make a non-Chevy S10 Extreme front bumper for it. Because the truck I had was about a 2001 Chevy truck, S10. But this is the base for my Big Red I'm going to be doing. My beautiful wife at the show we went to, the Blue Suede Cruise, picked me up one of these, which I wasn't expecting. It's a diecast General Lee. I didn't build a diecast General Lee yet, so I love my General Lees. So I'm thinking, I know it's a total incorrect build, but I'm still gonna do a video on this. I mean, it's part of the TV show. And here's the details right here. So I'm going to build it, guys. You know me. And here's another Chevy truck I just got. Chevrolet Extreme. This is the 94 to about 97, 99. No, 98 grill on there. So that's a cool one too. And I also ordered this one off eBay. This is the 99 Chevy Extreme Chevy truck. And then from that same Blue Suede Cruise, I found this kit for 20, and very good deal right here. 32 Ford Phaeton, and you guys are gonna be surprised by the next one. A older version of the same 32 Ford Phaeton, but this box seems like it's from the 70s, I would say. So if you guys could tell me what year this is actually from, you probably could tell me, because um, I'm looking for a barcode, but no barcode to be found on this box. And like I just showed you right there, I just spun it around and I don't see a barcode on it anywhere. So, but that's my stash ads. Alright, guys, here is my new stash ads for all total, guys. I wasn't expecting to get this many in this short of time. I mean, I know it's a collection of different places of purchases and stuff like that, and good deals. And just want to share that with you guys. I mean, I was kind of totally surprised. So, hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. All right.